let's get cracking and see, is it something I regret buying or I got a bargain. Okay, nice clean design box. That's just protective foam. Then we've got a glass screen protector there, which I'll be fitting almost straight away. The tablet itself. We've got I'm in the UK, we have a UK plug charger. That's kind of a quick charge, 18 watts, but it's not so quick that it's going to burn the battery out. Charge cable and doubles as data cable, I believe. Screen protector accessories, that's obviously wipes to fit the screen protector. We've got a sufficient manual. It's not overly long, but it tells you what's what and how to put in up to 2 SIM cards and 1 TF card, and this can take up to 2 terabyte TF. We've got a SIM tray pick, warranty card, so it's, I think it's a year's warranty with this from Doogee. This weighs 533 grams, I think it is. That looks absolutely gorgeous. So we can see the camera, and there's LED plus charge LED there. On this end we have 2 speakers out of 4, and here are the other 2, so we've got quad speakers. That's the data port and charge port, and then here is the SIM tray, and here is the 3.5mm audio jack. And then finally the sides. That's not mentioned in the manual. I think that's what they flash it with in the factory. And then on the other side we've got regular volume rocker, power switch, and that small hole's a reset. Hopefully I won't need that. Right, well, first let's get the screen protector on. Doesn't look like I need it, but it's here, so I'll use it. Ah, okay, it's come off the guide. That doesn't matter too much. I think that's about as good as I'm going to get it. Not too bad a job if I say so myself. And I think these little stickers are more trouble than they're worth, really. And there we have it, the beautiful T40 tablet from Doogee. Right, let's switch her on. I don't know if you heard that, we had a little vibration. Crikey, that made me jump out my skin. Beautiful display. I mean, that really is a nice display. We've got all the normal apps. Okay, let's turn this volume down. That's making me jump. And what's that? Some notification. Oh, a compliment on a YouTube video. I'm not going to set a screen lock right now. And I'm not going to do a system update right now. Right. Now, I did do a sneaky set this up before I did the unboxing on camera, and all I've done, I've connected to my Wi-Fi and had a very superficial look just to make sure it was working, and then I've made this video. So this is pretty new to me. Well, I'm gonna, I can see I'm gonna have to change the timeout. So that's what you can hear in the background. That's a really nice screen. This is going against bright lights.
Basically, you first have to get enough speed so that Mario can jump high and far enough to reach the first wall, and then kick off at the right time so that he lands on the next platform. The next wall, however, is much higher than the last, so you'll need to perform.
This particular video is going into slow motion. It's not anything wrong with it.
I may have made this look easy, but that's because I made
See, this must be Liam Triforce. It sounds like Liam Triforce. Hello, Liam. Yeah, Liam Triforce. If you don't know who Liam Triforce is, check him out, guys. Liam, excuse fingers, Liam Triforce. Fantastic YouTube gaming channel. Likes his Zelda and Mario and stuff. Really nice guy. Really nice guy. Check him out, guys.
time so much, and Zelda as a whole, is the fact that its mechanics enable more than just the
That
intended
sound
solutions to
quality is
problems.
phenomenal.
Whether that means skipping planting magic beans with a Kuko, or cheating a diving minigame with the iron boots, hookshot, and sneaky pause timing, or perhaps freezing a mob.
I just realised that was playing through my phone, so that's why the sound was coming out different.
In Super Mario 64, sometimes there would quite literally be many ways to climb a mountain. While these emergent solutions don't have to be related to movement,
Something to have a look at, someone comment on YouTube. Okay, let's have a quick look on online browsing.
And optimally performing breaststrokes to swim through. This skips the need to grab the metal cap, meaning you can collect all of the stars in Jolly Roger
Facebook,
Bay.
okay, now I'm going to delete that before I do anything else. Check out eBay.
Big Boo's Haunt is an example of a level that thrives on this kind of experimental movement. And for that,
Yeah, this is a good experience browsing on this tablet. But that's just the start of it, guys. 8GB RAM and that Helio G99 CPU, 2 cores at 2.2 GHz, 6 cores at 2 gig. This is going to be a bit of an emulation beast for an upper budget. It's not quite a lower mid-range, but it should do well for an upper budget.
After defeating Big Boo, the star spawns above you on top of the mansion. The only nearby platforms are parts of the mansion's roof that jut out, but they are surrounded by slopes.
And then let's see how quick let's see how quick the screen response is. To pretty quick, eh?
And the shortcuts that the claustrophobic design can enable. The star atop the mansion is also what clued me into the effectiveness of using slopes for momentum, and how I eventually
there we go, guys.
The
The D40 tablet from Doogee. And now I've got this off Amazon in the UK, £130. It's like at least over a year old model, and it's basically discontinued, so if it's out of stock, the closest to it will be the E3. Similar specs, 256GB instead of 512GB. Most of the other specifications are the same. I don't know if the E3, the E3, I don't know if that has a headphone socket or not. And the screen is slightly different, but otherwise it's a similar tablet to this, if this interests you, and it's out of stock. If the T40, this is the T40, if the T40 is out of stock, E3 should be in stock, and it's fairly similar to this one. The sound quality on this, by the way, is very, very good. That really is good. Well, thanks. I hope you don't mind me showing your stuff, Liam, Triforce, Mr. Triforce. Thanks for watching, guys, and take care. Bye. I'm still discovering new ways to chain moves together, seen as repetitive by a lot of people. I forgot to check out the on-screen keyboard, how that goes.
Together as you ascend, make it yet another playground for experimenting with Mario's moveset. Of course, the early portion of the level is unavoidable, and it has one of the most annoying 100 coin stars in the game.
Yeah, that's a nice keyboard.
It feels like a way to prove myself.
I do like this tablet. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye.